In this model, we provide a number of pre-configured reporting perspectives. Now, the perspectives will determine which reports an individual will see. Reports generally are grouped into reports that begin all, which administrators and company managers will see. So, for example, all expenses would show expenses for everybody in the company. Reports that begin my projects, which project managers would see, and which would show data belonging to all the projects that they manage. And then there are reports that begin my teams, which will show data belonging to all the employees who report to an employee as line manager. And then there are reports that begin my, which are available to everybody. There is one other perspective, which is the accountant's perspective, which we use to enable, in the case of expenses, a report such as this one, all expenses accounting details, which only an accountant needs to see. Now, these perspectives and who is granted them are set up by the administrator in data maintenance under this perspectives. And an individual can belong to more than one and therefore see not only my reports that begin my projects, but also reports that begin my teams or all. And these are set up or modified in this way. You open it and then select from the list of all the employees in the system those who are to have this perspective. So this one, which is called accountants, is allowed, is provided for the administrator and the accountant. In the pre-configured system that you get, you will always see that the administrator is allowed every perspective. Here, though, it is only the administrator who has the administrator perspective. Company managers, at the moment only this one, and so on. So each individual will be granted one or other of these perspectives, or one or more, and then, in fact, some employees will be granted none of them. I think most employees who are just recording time and making expense claims and only need to see reports for their own data, using reports that begin my, they need not be included in any of these. But otherwise, for line managers, project managers, company managers, and so on, you would include them in one or more of these perspectives. So that's perspectives.